DeFi, or decentralized finance. What is it and how does it work? Today we're going to take a practical look at how to use Uniswap with Metamask 3.0 wallet and exchange some OCC. What's going on YouTube? This is Bitmark. With that out of the way, let's jump right into it. So first you're going to need to download the Metamask wallet. Download it to your computer. It's Chrome extension. I've already downloaded mine. You can see there's 0.11 ETH in there, and I'm going to exchange some ETH for some OCC, which I don't currently have in my wallet. So I'm just going to head on over to Occam's website. I'm going to click on Buy OCC. That's automatically going to open Uniswap, to which I then have to connect my Metamask wallet. I'm going to click Connect Metamask. It's going to ask you to sign in. Click Connect. There we can see I'm connected. That's my Ethereum address for my Metamask wallet. Because I clicked on occam.fi, they already gave me the OCC Ethereum contract. But what you can also do is you can go to CoinMarketCap, then search OCC, which is the ticker for Occam. Click on that. Then head on over to contracts. Copy that address. You can paste that into Uniswap and that'll automatically also give you the OCC that you want to swap. There we go. Ethereum for OCC. Just double check that. 100%. Let's use 0.1 Ethereum, which is about $292. I should get about 23 OCC. Version 3, there's a bit of a discount there. And click swap. Next, confirm the swap. Now we have to confirm this with Metamask wallet. So the total is $334. The gas fee, which is high at this point, is $42. There we go. Submitted the transaction. Let's close that. So we have our transaction or our swap pending.
A few moments later.
And there we go. Now we can view our transaction on Etherscan. And success. So we have swapped 0.1 Ether for 23.27 OCC on Uniswap. Great stuff. Let's check our wallet. We can see my Ethereum balance is down to almost nothing. And there are my 23.276 OCC. Now I can head back to occam.fi, connect my Metamask wallet over there, sign in, click on the OCC panel, where we can see I now have a total of 224 OCC. I already had 201 of them, and I've been staking them for quite some time. There is the balance of 23.27 that I've just bought or exchanged with ETH, and I can now choose to stake them or just hold them in my wallet. And that was using Uniswap with Metamask. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash that notifications bell. Till next time, cheers.